I think it's very similar to Copperberg Strawberry and Lime.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another Tankard Brewing video. In today's video we're going to be doing another extract kit. It's going to be a cider kit this time, and I have gone for a Bulldog cider. Apologies, Fenton can't be here once again. Shift's a complete opposite. Don't know when this will be coming out, but last few videos sadly we haven't been able to get together to record. So here's the kit I've gone for. It is, as I said, Bulldog Brews mixed berry fruit cider. So I'm not a massive cider drinker myself, but the missus is a big fan of ciders, so that's why I always tend to keep one on rotation. You'll have seen on the channel in the past I've done some Mangrove Jack ones, but taking you around the box, pretty simple design. Today's bought this from Brewco, local to me down in Harrogate. Proper good lads down there when I've gone and collected, so if you're in West Yorkshire and want a local homebrew shop to go to, then I'd recommend them. So what do you get in the kit? So first of all, I love this. This is the extract. But I love the fact that it's not in 2 tins, because as good as they are and as long as they keep the product fresh, they are an absolute pain to get open. So I love that it's like this. You do get these with wine kits if you've ever done a wine kit before, so nice and well presented. I don't know if there's been a little bit of a leak at some point. There's a few sticky parts on it and I can smell the mixed fruit, which smells incredible by the way, but we'll soon see how we get on. You also get the infamous silver yeast bag, which has got cider yeast and sweetener in, so I'm guessing it's going to be quite a sweet brew being mixed fruits. And there's some very simple instructions. They're all pretty much the same, these kits, so pretty confident on how you do it. Additional things I've got me dark rock bucket, my mash paddle just to stir it with. I've got 2 spoons there because I'm going to be using tap water. I've got some Harris Pure Brew to go in. Really good product, yeast nutrient, and it sort of gets rid of the homebrew twang when we're using tap water, so it's a really good product. So shall we get started? Let's do it. So here we are, back at Bucket View. It doesn't seem too long ago since we was last here doing the Muntons kit, to be honest. So let's read these instructions. So it says clean equipment with Chem-Pro or other good homebrew cleaner sterilizer. Empty the contents of the juice bag into your sterilised container. Rinse out any remaining concentrate from the bag with hot water and add to fermenter as well. So we'll get cracking with that. As you can see, bucket's all clean, don't fear the foam. It's got some Chem Sand, Star Sand, whatever they call it in there. Let's see how easy this is to open, because sometimes that can be a right pain. I'm guessing twisting's not going to do it.
A few moments later.
There I am, being a fool. It was a twist, and then you've got a pull thing inside here. Wow. I'm just going to put that out there. That smells insane. It smells like fresh berries. It's beautiful. Right, let's get this tipped in. It's quite runny. Sometimes you get with these concentrates, they're quite thick, but nice and runny. And then it says add some hot water in. I have got some boiling water here, so hopefully it doesn't melt the bag. I'm guessing it's probably going to melt the bag. Well, surprisingly not actually. Just going to put lid back on. Give that all a shake. I say it's boiling water, it's been sat for about 15 minutes, so it's not quite boiling. And I'm going to repeat the same thing again, make sure we're getting every bit of extract out of there. Smells really, really good. I know I've already said it, but so it's like, drink it now. It'll be very sweet, obviously, but get the rest of that. Don't really know much about the Bulldog range. If any of you have done any before, let me know. But I've speaking to Paul Vickers, subscriber of the channel. It's becoming more like a friend now, to be honest. We talk a fair amount, and he's done a few, and he said they're really good. So I'm interested to see how this one turns out. Next thing to do is top up your fermenter by mixing hot and cold water to reach 20 degrees. So just going to get this filled up now to 23 litres, and then we'll come back. And there we are, about 22.5 litres. When I was filling it up, I think foam made it look like it was 23, but we're at 22.5, so I'm happy with that. Just going to give it all a good mix together. Get all that concentrate mixed in. So, just double check the instructions, but I'm guessing it's just yeast on top now. Yeah, it is. So, as I said, I'm going to be using Harris Pure Brew because I just have used tap water. Not going to lie, I haven't really got the time to go and get some RO water or anything. Really busy the last few days. I'm off to a festival in the Czech Republic. A little bit and gone by the time this video is uploaded, but I've got a lot of stuff to be doing. So first with the Harris Pure Brew, going with this little tablet, crush it. Easier said than done. There we go. And then you go in with a spoonful of what I'm guessing is yeast nutrient, which is here. I'm going with a good dollop. I find with most cider kits I've done recently, especially the Mangrove Jacks one, I don't know what yeast they use. I don't know if it's just generic cider yeast or what, but it comes out, the sulphur production is just insane. I don't really know how to stop it, so I'm going with a good healthy dose of yeast nutrient on this one. And next thing is to give it all a stir once we've pitched the yeast. Put that back right. And then next thing, let's just get my scissors. Scissors have been sanitised, by the way. Don't know where you can see that. It's just, I'm going to pour this on top. It sort of smells more like, well, I don't know if it might be the Pure Brew actually, it smells more like ale yeast than cider yeast, compared to what cider yeast I've used in the past. It's all a big stir now. Once again, I know controversial. Some people say leave it on top, but I always just stir it in. So we're going with stirring it in. And I want to get that pure brew mixed in. Right. Did almost forget, but pills going in. Absolutely love those pills. I think me and Fenton got them for 25 quid maybe, 30 quid half price in November off the Malt Miller website for a Black Friday thing. Yeah, one of best purchases we made. We've got 2 of them and we use them all the time. So gonna get said lid sanitised, place it on top into the fermentation fridge, and we will catch you on the tasting in a few months.
Welcome back to Welcome Back. Oh dear. I've just spelled it everywhere. Welcome back to another video. This was a Bulldog extract kit that was recommended by one of his viewers, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think it was Paul. Shout out to Paul. I was in an hour in between cider kits and he said he'd done a Bulldog cider kit before. So I ordered one. We've previously done Mangrove Jacks in the past. Yes, they are great, but I was fed up with the sulphur that we seem to get every brew. Don't matter what temp control, yeast nutrient put in, just pure sulphur. So we thought we'd give this a try, and it's turned out good. I have poured it out of a bottle, so mine's a bit cloudy. The lads are looking better, aren't they? Yours are looking a bit.
Smells nice.
It smells really good. Second you pop that bottle, you could smell it, couldn't you?
Yeah. Aaron's more of a cider drinker as well. What do you think?
More of a...
I think it's very similar to Copperberg Strawberry and Lime, and it has a clearer taste.
Yeah.
It's very smooth, very calm.
Yeah.
Something you calmly drink.
It's definitely mixed berries in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm almost getting more strawberry and lime.
I get where you're coming from.
I'm getting more zing to it, 'cause mixed berries is more blueberry raspberry, whereas this is more...
I'm getting blueberries.
Maybe a bit.
Yeah, we have just drank 2 pints prior to this.
Yeah,
so
our taste buds are all over the shop. If it looks like the same tasting video, it's because we've had to do 3 on the bounce. So.
Yeah, work and all that.
Work and all that, fitting it in. Yeah, it's lovely. I really like that.
That is, isn't it?
Could do with being a bit colder, but I'd only have a chance to chuck it in freezer for about 2 minutes.
Yeah. That is so good.
Better than Mangrove Jacks, that.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. So, you're listening at the start of this video, it comes
Aaron's
like a
finished
bag.
it already.
Good lad. Comes in a bag where you just pour in, fill it up 23 litres, chuck the yeast in. I mean, it don't get any easier than that, does it? Really, really good.
Aaron didn't hang around with that one, so...
I'm not messing around with it, I'm drinking it.
It's definitely an artificial sweet flavour, isn't it? But you get that with your ciders that you get down the pub, don't you, out of bottles? It's like an artificially sort of...
It tastes very homemade.
Yeah.
It's not... I wouldn't say it's even that artificial either.
No, it's just very sweet, isn't it?
There's a nice thing to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost like there is fruit juice in it. Maybe there is, I'm not sure.
Well, it is. It's fruit juice, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, unlike other ciders where it seems to be apple concentrate with then a flavour sachet, this was actually that colour. So, it probably is the fruit just boiled down.
Yeah.
But I'd personally recommend, as much as I love Mangrove Jacks and I love what they do, that is a better cider than any Mangrove Jacks kit we've ever done.
Yeah.
And it was fermented, brewed under exactly the same, excuse me, it's got to the back of my throat, conditions on it.
Yeah.
So...
Which is in Ben's house.
Yeah.
Just there for weeks.
Yeah. Fermentation fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was I can't remember what temperature we did it at, but I'm well impressed with that.
Yeah, that's better than Mangrove Jacks.
Yeah, I shall...
It's cheaper as well, isn't it? Or is it?
No, I think it was a little bit more.
Right.
I can't remember.
I
got it from Brew Crow. I'll put the list in here of how much it is, but...
Yeah. Worth the extra few quid, I think.
Definitely.
Yeah.
100%.
I'd much rather drink that than the Jacks, by far.
Definitely. That, when it finally gets sunny out here, when it decides what it wants to do, we'll get in garden and we'll have a few of them, won't we?
Yeah,
Straight from the keg. That's an absolute winner.
Well, we're never short of beer to drink.
No.
If anything, we've got too much beer most of the time. That tends to be our issue.
Yeah, I can't remember what it was. I think it was about 5%, so it's nice.
Yeah, something like that.
yeah, nice cider. So
thanks for watching again.
yeah,
Aaron enjoyed it, and there's our new character that we've unlocked. We're 650 subscribers, so
that's it.
he'll be chiming along here and where he can. And he obviously likes his cider, so we might have to brew a bit more for him.
That's it. That's it. Well, hope you all have a good weekend, or have had a good weekend, depending when we upload this. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.
Cheers, gents.